Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the men's Vectiv Infinite TW from North Face. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Thank you. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's get into it. Today, we've got a look at the North Face men's Vectiv Infinite TW. And TW means Travis Weller. He's an artist. And the North Face company have collaborated with him in regards to this model. And you can see a lot of it in this artwork. So you got these funky prints on the box and it's shown in the product, it's shown in the shoe itself. Vectiv, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If there's any North Face connoisseurs out there watching, please correct me if I'm saying it wrong. So we've got this in the muted blue colorway. Muted blue deep ultramarine, that's the full name for it, and we got this in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 41 and it's a US 8.5. Look. Yeah, so obviously as it's North Face, they've got their whole mapping system as the wrapping paper, and says never stop exploring. Not Travis Scott, just the North Face's tagline. And here we go, we got this really lightweight, it's really lightweight, what you want from a trail running shoe. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see that with the tread, the lug that you can see here is built for your runs in very slippery surfaces, trail running. Overall, this sneaker is built for running. We look at the midsole, so you've got that print, the funky print that Travis Weller has made specifically for this shoe. It's incorporated here in the midsole. And they're not specific about the materials used on the midsole, but I can feel it and it feels like an EVA. Pretty sure, I could be wrong, it's a Phylon of some sort. But the name of this sneaker is the Vectiv, and that is found just on the underfoot here, just below the insole. And what that is a plastic shank plate that's found underneath, and also it's incorporated in the shape of the midsole, which is the rocker. So it's there for your stability, but overall it's there for your forward propulsion. As you can see how easy it is to rock. Moving along onto the upper, so the upper is made out of a mixed materials. You've got a lot of heat pressed plastics, and the textiles that are used here, the thread is actually North Face's Matrix Micro, and that is just a bunch of multi-tones. It's a mesh upper, very lightweight, and it's made of Kevlar. For those that don't know, Kevlar is what makes bulletproof vests. And they do a lot really, but I just remember Kevlar being for bulletproof vests. So as I mentioned, there's a lot of heat pressed plastics. You can see it in the toe box here. Around the body of the sneaker itself with the blue. Moving along onto the laces as well. You can see here where the lace loops are. Also it incorporates the nice artistry of Travis Weller. Simple lacing system, you've got flat laces here. The tongue is a microfiber tongue with the North Face logo there. Obviously, as I mentioned, the sneaker was built for running. Very breathable with that matrix upper. You can see it's very lightweight, as I mentioned very many a time. Just around the heel, you've got the North Face branding. And the heel counter, again, it is a plastic mold. You got a pull tab, easy peasy just to get your feet in. And to round it off, it is a sock liner. Essentially here, you can see just underneath, it is a sock. Inside, can't, if you can see it there, there it is. And the insole of this sneaker is North Light. It doesn't give you the out there, you know, the prominent branding of Light, but it is an Light. And what you've got is the North Face TS Weller branding on the left shoe, and on the right you've got the High Country, Cool Air and Shadows. There's a lot of writing. I might as well finish it now. Cool Air and Shadows, night transmissions today, sun rising over peaks, and I believe that says wildflowers in bloom, some sort of poem, I'd say. Again, you've got a lot of the Travis Weller in the insole as well with that print. That rounds off my review. If it's anything like all the other trail runners that we've done in the past, like the ACG, the Salomon runners, you can check those out as well if you want. If it's anything like that, I can't wait to try this on. I think that's the trend that's kind of going on at the moment. It's like an urban explorer, and a lot of, like I've said in many videos before this, loads of people, they are exploring the outdoors in this time of lockdown and quarantine, whatever. Loads of people have been exploring the forests, so this is one of those to hit the forest in, probably do a trail run, whatever tickles your fancy, explore the urban environment. All that said, roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on, so bam. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get your true to size fit. I am a UK size 7.5. These are the right fit. My toes are where they need them to be. However, these are comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. The upper's fine, everything's fine. The comfort is decent, you know, it's not like super soft or anything. There's only one thing that irks me, and that is the outsole, the midsole. Really, it feels like it's really curved. If that makes any sense. I feel like this is really round, and it's great for if I'm doing a rock. I can see propulsion as well. Like if I want to run, there's a bit more extra oomph into that forward step. However, it does feel weird. Not like I'm balancing on a ball or anything, but it just feels a bit weird. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.